Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have brought class 12 practice questions for board examinations. Okay, student, let's start. Question number 1. What is called a relation R in a set A if it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive? So answer is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. So question number 1 solved. So now student come to question number 2. Question number 2, evaluate sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So how to solve this? Solution, sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus sine inverse 1 by 2. So student, you know the formulas, sine inverse minus xh minus sine inverse x, tan inverse minus xh minus tan inverse x, okay, cosec inverse minus xh minus cosec inverse x, but cos inverse minus xh pi minus cos inverse x. Similarly, cot inverse and sec inverse minus x are pi minus that function, that inverse function. So students, solve it. Sine pi by 3 minus minus plus sine inverse 1 by 2 is what? Pi by 6, 30 degree. So sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6 is 90 degree. Sine 90 degree is 1. So student, question number 2 solved. Now student, come to question number 3. In question number 3, what is the range of relation R equal to minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, 4. So you know, in the order pair, the first tuple is called domain and the second tuple is called range. So student, here range is what? A range of R equal to 1, 4, only this two. This is the range, this is the range, this is the range, and this is the range. So answer is 1 and 4 only. So student, this question also solved. Now come to question number 4. In question number 4, if A is a 3 into 3 matrix such that determinant A equal to 7, then find the value of 5A modulus. 5A determinant. So this is not modulus, this is determinant. And inside the determinant, if 5 is there, when it come out, then 5 cube will be outside the determinant. Why? Because the matrix is 3 into 3. So student, this 5 to the power 3 is 125 and determinant A given 7. So 127, solve it and find the answer. Question 4 completed. So now student, question number 5. So come to question number 5. In question number 5, A equal to diag 3 minus 5 minus 7 means A equal to a matrix, diagonal matrix 3 minus 5 minus 7, and other values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And B is the matrix minus 1, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So these two matrices given, diagonal matrices, and we have to find out A plus 2B. It is very easy. So A plus 2B is equal to A means what? 3, 0, 0, 0 minus 5, 0, and 0, 0 minus 7. 0 minus 5, 0. Plus 2B, 2 into the B matrix is minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 4. Next step, just multiply to scalar multiplication with matrices. How to solve it? 3, 0, 0, 0 minus 5, 0, 0, 0 minus 7. Next, 2 multiply, and this will become minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 8. Now student, just add these two matrices. 3 plus minus 2, that is 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 5 plus 6, that is 1, and 0, and 0, 0 minus 7, that is 0, 0, 1. So guys, answer is identity matrix or 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this question solved. So now students come to next question number 6. In question 6, evaluate integration from 0 to 2 root over 6x plus 4 dx. How to solve it? So students, simply solve it. Integration of root 6 plus 6x plus 4 is what? Integration 6x plus 4 to the power 1 by 2, limit from 0 to 2. So just integrate it. There is one more question. 6x plus 4 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1, and coefficient of x is 6. So now student put the limit 0 to 2. Now 6x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2, and here in denominator 3 by 2 into 6. So 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now 0 to 2 we put here, and 2 3 is 6, 1 by 9, and here the values are 2, put 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, minus 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 to the power 3 by 2, minus 0. Now put 0, 4 to the power 3 by 2. Now solve it. 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 16 to the 3 by 2 is what? 16 to the power 3 by 2 means 16 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 3. 16 to 1 by 2 is 4, 4 to the 3, 64. Okay, so this value is 64 minus 4 to the power 1 by 2. 4 to the 3 by 2 is what? 4 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 3. This is 2 to the 3, that is 8. So 64 minus 8. 64 minus 8 means 60, 56. 56 by 9. So this answer is 56 by 9. So this question solved. Now should come to question number 7. In question number 7, also one integration. Evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 4 square root of 1 plus sin 2x. Integration from 0 to pi by 4 square root of 1 plus sin 2x formula is what? Cos x plus sin x whole square dx equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 cos x plus sin x dx. And what is the integration for cos x? That is sin x, and sin x is minus cos x. Now put the limit 0 to pi by 4. First put pi by 4, sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, minus sin 0 minus cos 0. What is sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2 minus cos pi 4 also 1 by root 2, minus sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So answer is 1. So student solved. Question number 8. Next come to question number 8. Question number 8. So student, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x and the line x equal to 3. So student, draw the curve y square equal to 4x. It is the right-handed parabola, and x equal to 3 means parallel to y-axis. This straight line is x equal to 3. So now we want to find out the area. This area we want to find out. This red shaded region is the our target. So student, this value is O, A, B, C. So area of OABO is equal to what? Integration from, see, this origin is 0, 0, and this B is 3, 0, because x equal to 3 is there. So this point is 3, 0. So now integration from 0 to 3. Why 0 to 3? Because x coordinate of origin and x coordinate of the B means the shading regions, the starting x coordinate and the ending x coordinate is our limit. So y dx. 0 to 3, y means what? Root over 4x dx. Now student, integration from 0 to 3, root 4 is 2 and root x is here. Area of OABO. Why area of OABO, not whole total? Because when we're finding the area of any curve, we are finding up to x-axis, not below the x-axis. If we want to find out whole area, then we have to multiply 2, because this ordinate, upper ordinate system, down ordinate system, both system we have to find out. So now next, 2 root x integration is x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limit 0 to 3. So 2 into 2 by 3, and inside integration just put 3. 3 to the power 3 by 2 minus 0 to the power 3 by 2. So 4 by 3 into 3 to the power 3 by 2. 3 to the 3 by 2 means 3 into root 3. So answer is 4 root 3. But actual answer is not 4 root 3. 4 root 3 is the answer of OABO. But we are interested to find in total area. Required area is twice of area of OABO. So twice into 4 root 3. So answer is 8 root 3. So student, this question done. Now question number 9. Question number 9. It is the question from differential equation. Find the order and degree of differential equation dy by dx. So first find out the highest order. Here highest order is what? Second order. So here order is 2. And highest order's power is nothing, means here 1. So degree is 1. So this question done. Now shall come to question number 10. In question number 10, also it is from differential equation. Show that the differential equation x dy dx minus y equal to root x square plus y square is homogeneous. How to check, how to show whether this differential equation is homogeneous or not? But here it is obviously homogeneous because a question given show that. So for homogeneous solution, x dy by dx is equal to y plus square root of x square plus y square. So now dy dx is equal to y by x plus root over x square plus y square divided by x. Next step is equal to y by x plus inside square root. Let's take this x also inside the square root. So x square plus y square divided by x square. Y by x plus square root of x square by x square cancelled 1 plus y by x whole square means y square by x square. That is f of y by x. This proves the homogeneous of differential equation. There is another way to prove. Also this question has another way to prove. Dy by dx equal to y by x plus root over 1 plus y by x whole square. Also student, this function we can consider, this is the another process later. Another process is, suppose we take this f of xy, in place of x we take lambda x, and in place of y lambda y, then lambda y divided by lambda x root over 1 plus lambda y by lambda x whole square. So now lambda lambda cancel, here lambda lambda cancel, so y by x plus root over 1 plus y by x whole square. So that is f of xy. If f of lambda x comma lambda y equal to lambda to the power n f of xy, then the differential equation is called homogeneous. Here also our situation is like this. F of xy means what? Lambda to the power 0, f of x comma y. What is 0? 0 is the degree of the differential equation. So student, this question solved. Now come to question number 11. In question number 11, you can see, find the unit vector in the direction of the vector a vector equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. This is very important question for board examination, important short question for board examination, and very easy question. A vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So what is the formula for unit vector? A cap equal to a vector divided by a vector magnitude. A vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap divided by a vector magnitude is what? Square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, student, come to next step. Square root of 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 9. 9 plus 4 is 13 and root 14. I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap divided root over 9 plus 4, that is 13 plus 1, 14, root 14. So I cap divided by root 14 plus 2 by root 14 j cap plus 3 by root 14 k cap. So student, this is the answer. But how this is a cap? How we will confirm that it is a unit vector? 1 by root 14 square plus 2 by root 14 square plus 3 by root 14 square. Students, this 1 by root 14, here this is actually I by root 14 means this is 1 by root 14 I cap. So 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14 are called direction ratios. If direction ratios square sum is and square root is equal to 1, then it is called the unit vector. So 1 by root 14 square is 1 by 14 plus 4 by 14 plus 9 by 14. So square root is, that is 1. So this question solved and we have proved that this is the unit vector. So come to question number 12. In question 12, a vector question is there. Vector cross product a minus b vector cross a plus b vector. So how to solve it? A vector cross a vector plus a vector cross b vector minus b vector cross a vector minus b vector cross b vector. Actually, students, cross products are distributive over addition. So here we have applied the distributive law. And a cross a means what? A magnitude square plus a cross b. And here minus b cross a can be written as minus of minus a cross b. Minus b magnitude square. Actually, one mistake is there, not magnitude square, because cross product formula is a into sine theta n cap. But here in between a vector, again to the a vector, what is the angle? Zero angle. So this angle is 0. So a cross a is 0 plus a cross b minus b cross a, this is plus a cross b. One second. Okay. Sine theta n cap. Okay, so theta angle is 0. So a cross a is 0. Similarly, b cross b 0, c cross c 0. Any vector cross product with itself is 0 always. So this is 0 vector plus a cross b and minus of a cross b, because cross product are not commutative. A cross b is not equal to b cross a, but you can write a cross b equal to minus of a minus of b cross a. Okay, this is minus of b cross a. So that's why we have written b cross a minus a cross b. Now b cross a is what? Minus 0 vector. So a cross b plus a cross b equal to twice of a cross b. This is the answer of this question. Now this question completed. Question number 13. Now come to question number 13. In question number 13, it is also the vector question. Find the value of p where p into I plus j plus k is a unit vector. So it is given that p I cap plus j cap plus k cap magnitude is 1. Since it is a unit vector, so magnitude is 1. So I coefficient is p square plus p square plus p square. Magnitude formula is ijk. Ijk, so coefficients are called direction ratios. Square sum root over is equal to 1. So it implies that 3p square root is equal to 1. Implies that 3p square equal to 1. Implies that p square equal to 1 by 3 and p equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. Implies that p equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. This is the answer. So now we come to question number 14. Now the question of 14 is from three-dimensional geometry. What are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 5? Suppose this is a plane x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 5. So what is the normal direction ratios? Normal direction ratios means the coefficient of x, y, and z. So answer is what? 1, 2, and -3. So completed. Question number 15. Next, come to question number 15. In question number 15, it is also from 3D. Show that the points A, B, C are collinear. So DRS of AB. For collinearity, find the direction ratios of AB. AB distance, how to find out x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 2, comma -2 minus 3, -2 minus 3, then 3 minus -4, 3 minus -4. So this is -1, -5, and 7. Now DRS of BC. How to find DRS of BC? Same process. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 8 minus -2, that is 10. -11 minus 3, -14. Now student will check whether AB and BC are parallel in nature or not. If they are parallel, then collinear. Then ABC are collinear. In A, B, and C, if we can prove AB and BC are parallel, then obviously B is the common point to AB and BC. So this will be collinear. So how to check it is parallel or not? The ratio of the direction ratio should be equal. The ratios of direction ratios should be equal. -1/2. This value divided by this value is equal to -5 divided by 10. This value divided by this value. Okay. This value, and -5 and 10, and thirdly 7 and -14. So equal to 7 by -14. You can see all are -1/2 each. So ABC are collinear. So -5 also -1/2. 7 minus 14 is -1/2. So that's all. Next one, come to question number 16. In question number 16, it is question from probability. If A and B are the two even numbers such that probability A 3/5, probability B 7/10, probability A and B 9/10, then find this question, previous question. So how to find probability A intersection B? Probability A and B formula is probability A plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. So this question is very simple question. 9/10 equal to probability 3/5. Just put all the values. Only one unknown is there. So probability A intersection will be A intersection B, or probability A intersection B equal to 3/5 plus 7/10 minus 9/10. So solve it, student, and we'll get the answer. Next, come to question number 17. Question number 17. So student, question number 17. Kavish has offered physics, chemistry, and mathematics in class 12. He estimates that his probability of receiving grade A in these courses is 0.3, 0.8, 0.8 respectively. Find the probability that Kavish receives grade A in all three subjects. So how to do this? So probability of A is 0.3, probability of B is 0.2, probability of C is 0.8. Okay, but here question is probability of A, B, C. Since it is probability of independent probability, so probability of A into probability B into probability C. So we can multiply this 3.3 into 0.2 into 0.8. So multiply these three and we got the answer. Okay, so multiply this and get the answer. So now we come to next question number 18. Question number 18. Find the value of tan inverse. It is inverse only question. Tan inverse √3 minus sec inverse -2 is pi minus sec inverse 2. Tan inverse √3 is what? Tan inverse √3 is pi/3. And minus pi minus sec inverse 2 is what? Sec inverse 2. Sec inverse 2 value is what? What is cos inverse 2? Cos inverse cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. If cos 60 degree 1 by 2, then sec 60 degrees 2 means 60 degree means pi by 3. So student, this is pi by 3. So pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 3. So pi by 3, 2, pi by 3 minus pi. So finally, answer is what? Answer is 2 pi minus 3 pi divided by 3 equal to minus pi by 3. This is sec inverse 2 is cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So sec 60 degree is 2. So pi by 3. So for here formula sec inverse minus 2 formula is what? Sec inverse minus x is pi minus sec inverse x. Similarly, cos inverse minus x is what? Pi minus cos inverse x. Earlier we have discussed also cot inverse minus x is what? Pi minus cot inverse x. So question number 18 completed. So now we come to question number 19. In question number 19, it is from derivative. F of x e to the x is strictly increasing on R. So how to prove it is still increasing? Let x1 less than x2. Suppose two values we have taken, it is first derivative test. From first derivative, we will solve it. So x1 less than x2. So now student, e to the power x1 also less than e to the power x2. This means f of x1 is less than f of x2. So student, if x1 less than x2 implies that f of x1 less than f of x2, this is the increasing function. Now student, come to question number 20. These are the last questions. So what is the question? It is from differential equation. Find the integral factor of the differential equation x dy by dx plus y equal to x cube. So dy by dx plus y by x, divide x on both the sides. So dy by dx plus 1 by x into y equal to x square. Here p is what? 1 by x. What is q? Q is x square. So what is the formula for integrating factor? It is e to the power integration p dx. E to the power p means what? 1 by x dx. So e to the power ln x dx. E to the power ln x. So answer is x. So students, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.